In the heart of Borneo's rainforest grows a flower unlike any other. This is Coelogyne pandurata, known as the Black Orchid, one of Indonesia's rarest treasures. It thrives in the humid forests, clinging to tall trees, living high above the ground, absorbing moisture from the air. Its dark, almost velvet lip isn't just beautiful, it attracts specific pollinators that help it survive. Sadly, deforestation has made this orchid harder to find in the wild. Let's protect this living gem before it disappears forever. Subscribe for more stories about nature's hidden wonders.